In this video, we're going to look at how to add grids to your whiteboard.chat to use as backgrounds. So over here on the left-hand side, you can see that we have our tools here, our control panel. And this one right here says grids. So when I click on that, you'll notice that I have a wide variety. Now the cool thing is I can add grids to each individual page. So let's say that I decide I want this grid here, and I'm going to flip to another page, and maybe I want to do some handwriting or some note taking on this page or whatever, and I can go here and I can add a different one. So you can add a variety of different grids on there. So we had, as you saw on that other one, we had that grid. We also have one that is larger. Okay. On this one we already had the college lined paper, but let's look at the coordinate plane, because let's say that I want it to be 10 and I'm going to set it at medium. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this one, and it'll show you that it has the little ticks on there, but maybe I don't want the ticks on there as well. So I can play around with that and make that different. I'm going to close this. Let's just say we'll have it like this. The cool thing about it is if you want to add little dots, you can go back here. You can go down to this dot painter and you can start adding little dots and things on your coordinate plane that the students can figure out where they are. Okay. And you can change your color. So let's say that I need over here, I'm going to do, let's do a green one. So I can now do green dots as well. Okay. I'm going to go to another page. Let's look at this one. So I love, there's primary paper here, but I could also do sheet music. So this is good to use when you go over here to your manipulatives and you change it to music. You can add things on here and different things for the students. There's just a lot of different variety of things you can go in here. You'll want to play around with this. Oh, another cool thing is I can do a grid box and I can draw it. And then I can add grids in here as well. And then I can use, I think it'll work in here, this grid painter. So if I need to paint inside this grid, I can paint it like that and paint inside. I can also use little dots again as well. So there's just lots of different things you can do. And that's how you can add different types of backgrounds to your whiteboard.chat.